My name is Kyle Turriff, and I am the Client Onboarding Officer for Amplify. What that means is I handle the day-to-day background operations of the firm, as well as I meet with new and potential clients regarding their bookkeeping and accounting services, and trying to identify the right solutions for them and how they're going to work with their Amplify team of bookkeepers and accountants. We like to use QuickBooks Online for our clients. It gives us a way to collaborate online in the bookkeeping software. It's always available to anybody that wants access, that we've provided access to, as well as the app ecosystem of QuickBooks Online allows us to plug things in like Hubdoc, TSHEETS, and to really be able to utilize the expertise and knowledge of bookkeepers, accountants, and any other stakeholders in the business to look at a one-stop shop for their financial information. QuickBooks Online, or QBO as we like to call it, everybody at Amplify on the bookkeeping team are QuickBooks certified pro advisors and are able to help with any questions that you might have. We love to utilize the bank feeds as well as integrate other applications using Zapier or a third-party app to really get the power out of QuickBooks that we can. The evolution from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online has meant that clients are able to now have relevant, up-to-date information in their pocket. What this also allows is for some pretty cool things that Intuit is doing with utilizing AI for clients to be able to ask questions via a Siri-like app and find information about their business, as well as even Intuit is now providing funding based on the information that's in your QuickBooks. So small short-term loans, some operating capital that a business might need. So this is just something that wouldn't have been available via QuickBooks Desktop, and it's pretty cool and pretty exciting for the future. We use Xero for a lot of our clients. Xero now opening their offices in Canada is pretty exciting, so we're excited to work with Xero. We find that we like to find the best fit for our clients. So whatever application is going to suit their needs best, that's what we want to support. Xero is great with multi-currency, has some deeper integrations, and works really well, we find, for our online merchants. So Shopify stores, accepting PayPal, that whole ecosystem, as we call it, has been really successful. So we love to integrate with Zapier and get some other applications working so we can really optimize workflow in Xero. So really excited. We're getting started this year with really ramping up clients in Xero. So excited for what the future holds for them. Pretty much all of our clients at Amplify are on Hubdoc. So Hubdoc is a true online hub for your documents. A Canadian company that was recently acquired by Xero's, which is pretty exciting, but works with QuickBooks Online and will continue to work with QuickBooks Online. Hubdoc allows for an auto fetch feature that can go and get your documents for you. So your online bank statements, your cell phone bills, anything that you have an online login to, Hubdoc can probably go and get. So you're not chasing it down trying to provide information to your bookkeeper or an accountant, or even for your own files. It's just there, stored in a folder, accessible in your pocket on your phone or from your laptop. So all of our clients that are using it have loved it. There's also other ways to get your documents into Hubdoc, and it really depends on how those documents come to you, what your workflow is going to be. Whether you're snapping a picture with your phone, or you're scanning them in from your computer, or just forwarding an email to a customized address. That email invoice comes to you, you just hit forward, it's done, it's there, it's filed away in Hubdoc, and you don't really need to touch it again. The OCR technology that it uses, make sure that goes into the right spot in Hubdoc, and it also reads the amounts off of it to make sure that we can push across that information to your QuickBooks or your Xero, or if you're doing the bookkeeping, that you can push those across as well. What's great is once they're in QuickBooks Online or Xero and you want to look at that transaction, one click and you're seeing an image of that receipt right there in your general ledger. It's pretty cool. So TSHEETS, another acquisition story, was acquired by QuickBooks, and we use TSHEETS with any of our payroll clients that require time tracking or submitting of timesheets. It allows employees to track time from their phone, their computer, the computer at the office, whatever. And also it allows for managers or business owners to schedule their employees. So no more checking the schedule in the break room or emailing out the schedule. It's there in the app. When do I work? Who's working? What job? And then the real-time tracking against that. From there, it goes for an approval, and whoever's processing the payroll gets that approval of the timesheet. We sync it across to QuickBooks Online or Xero and run from there. So some of the other apps we use and we get a lot of questions about, because we've had actually clients pick this up and use it in their own business, are Zapier and Zoom. So Zapier is a third-party application that has integrations created for apps that don't have a native integration. So if some things don't necessarily talk to each other, you can create a zap and allow those points of data entry to talk. So it saves a lot of time, especially on data entry. We've worked with clients to have Zapier generate invoices for them. We've integrated Zapier with Xero, and we use it internally to save us some time on data entry. So something we're pretty excited to talk about, and if you have any interest in that, happy to chat. The other is Zoom meetings. So if our clients aren't local, we love for clients to come into the office, but if they can't, all of our meetings take place via Zoom. It's one click from the meeting invite to join a meeting. You can join from your phone. I've been in a meeting in my car in Zoom, and it feels like you're there. I'm sitting in a Zoom room right now at the office where we're one touch away on an iPad from being in a meeting with our clients. So Zoom is just really easy to use. We love it for the client experience, and we've had multiple of our clients start to use Zoom in their business as well. So that's pretty cool. So hopefully you found all of that, or at least some of that, helpful. Obviously, I love to chat about this stuff, especially with clients, and how you can use it within your business or to collaborate with your accountants and bookkeepers. So if you're looking to chat, you want to find out a little bit more about how we do things or how one of these tools might actually help you in your business, feel free to reach out to me anytime or a member of the Amplify team. Cheers.